Here's how you understand exponential functions.
Now, for the situation, you will need to include three key components: your starting value, your growth or decay, depending on whether your graph will be positive or negative, and then your time. Basically, to find the starting value, you would have to refer to a graph. And your starting value would be the y-intercept. And then to find your growth, or in this case, your decay, in the situation, you would have to find where it says either the value of the car depreciates or it goes up. And in that statement, you would have to find a percentage or a decimal. And then there's the equation. Basically, for the equation, you'd have to use the formula y equals ab to the power of x. The a would represent your starting value, or your y-intercept, and then the b would represent your growth, or your decay. And then the x would represent your time. And now for the table. My table isn't finished here, but I can still explain. So you would need to include as many spaces as you need regarding your time, but you must include the 0 so you know what your starting value is. Your starting value is always next to the 0. And then you would have to use the growth or the decay to figure out what goes in the empty spaces. Once you're done with that, you will be able to figure out what the value would be.